guys, it's me again. Today I am going to take another Sunday pedestrian button video. It's been about a couple of months now. The road is still the same as it is. I think they did some more paving around here on the opposite side here. But here we are.
Wait.
Yep, that's right. I'm gonna go check out this button over on this side.
23, wait, 22, 21, 20, 19, wait, 18, wait, 17, wait, 16, 15, 14, 13.
I'm gonna go back this way.
7, 6, 5.
There goes that one.
Wait, traveling west. Wait.
Oh, there goes this.
Wait, traveling north.
Traveling north. That one's traveling west.
Wait.
I like how it still says it's wait sequence.
Wait.
Oh, a new spider nest has just shown up here. Disgusting.
Wait.
It's gonna probably V 4.05.
Wait.
Is that a version number or is that just a serial number for this button? I have no idea, but there's the button. There's what happens. The sign remains the
28, 27, 26,
it skipped a number.
25, 24, 20.
That's just not right.
20, 19, 18.
I'm gonna do the countdown for the
16,
they did the countdown.
14, 13,
There's
12,
a spider right there.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
It's screwed in
6,
pretty well.
5, 4,
Then it stays like
3,
this.
2, 1.
Alright, I think the traffic lights are gonna turn yellow and these lights are gonna turn on.
Wait.
Traveling.
Wait.
That one hasn't rang yet.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna take one last look at the middle one. It just skipped 29. It just skipped 29 again.
25.
That's what the middle one looks
23. Wait, 22.
Chirps.
20.
I'm not gonna waste too much time here, even though I visited these buttons like 9 times already.
12.
I'm just showing you
11,
them now.
10. Wait. Traveling west.
Traveling west. And these travel.
1. Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
That's it. Also, one thing I also wanted to bring up about the intersection right behind me. One of the buttons on the far side of the side I was at was turned over. Not upside down, like turned the opposite way. And that's what it looks like now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.